You can also get image information. Okay, these are just three of the things you can get about the image. But once you create the image object or the image pointer, you can say dot format, and it'll give you a string with the format of the image. It'll give you a size, dot size. This is in parentheses. So what does that mean that this is? What's that? Yes, they are pixels. What is this data type, though, that I'm looking at here? Anybody remember what that's called? It's got a weird name. It's a tuple. Okay, it's a tuple. So you're going to access these like you would a list. So you're going to assign that to a variable and then use indexes to access those. Okay, so it's a little bit weird. And Pillow does use a lot of tuples. You'll use more tuples with Pillow than you're probably everything else of all your programming career. But and then a string with the image mode, which is RGB, stands for red, green, and blue. So to get those, if I comment that out, I can just go print image skate, okay, dot size. Okay, and there's that tuple. So if I wanted just the X coordinates or the X size, the size in pixels across, I would use the 0 index, and then I can access just that piece of that tuple. Yeah.
Still trying to confuse on Pillow. So Pillow is that like a tool that basically gets a tag like on the picture you have on your computer, or does Pillow have its own pictures?
Pillow does not have its own pictures. It's a module, an image library that allows you to use and manipulate images using Python. So it's a set of functions and objects and methods that allows you to edit and view images.
It gives you access to the images you have on your computer, basically.
Any images, yeah. Yes.
That last part was not answering my question. I was saying, so it's only stuff I have on my PC.
Well, you could grab a remote image using another library. You could download an image from a website even and import that to Pillow. You could do that.
Okay, so it can only show things that I either import to it or is on the computer,
As opposed to
having images already loaded into it. So I'd have to know where on my computer these images are and then plug those into this.
yes, that's why I recommend putting the images in your folder with your script to start with, so it's easier to find them. Just copy and paste them into PyCharm. That's an easiest way to do it. Yeah, so you can do that, and you can also create images from scratch using Pillow, which I'll show you next week, or not next week, but Wednesday. That's what day it is. Yeah, Wednesday we'll work on that. So Pillow can do all kinds of things. In order to open an image that exists, it does have to be on your computer at some point. Even when you're, say, opening something from a website, it just gets downloaded to your computer and then opened. That's how it all works anyway. So technically, everything you open, you either create from scratch or it's on your computer already. So this is how you get to those, and these are just properties of that object. So we just talked about objects and how to use properties and methods, how to create properties and methods, and now we're using properties. So when we create an image object, it has these properties, among others. Now, if I do this, then it's going to show me all of those properties, right, and methods. So I'm still in the special methods here with the underscore, but now I'm seeing all of the different methods and properties that are available. So we have a lot. I told you this was a big library. So it has a lot of stuff associated with it. So we'll start with just these. And of course, there's extensive documentation online. If you want to go deeper into any of these things, it's all there for you.